we need to do lips, we need to do highlight, we need to do blush, and then we need to bronze, and then we need to get dressed. We have a lot to do, and I'm very late. Something's going on! Oh my god! Something's going on! Good morning, happy Christmas day 11. We are in Vegas day 2, and the only thing on my mind that I care about is the breakfast buffet. That's Bubba, what happened to Viva Las Vegas? Oh, Mom, I Viva lost Vegas at the casino last night.
I lost all my savings.
I lost all my nudges. We are at House of Blues for breakfast.
What? The pinky? No. For the hash browns?
So we just finished with breakfast. We got our Starbies. I got a chestnut praline latte, which I never have got before, but I got it with almond milk. It's freezing. Outside, inside, everywhere in Vegas. I was expecting it to be hot, so got a hot drink. And we're about to take the dogs out. We're crazy. Who brings dogs to Vegas? Like, that's probably worse than bringing a baby to Vegas. I brought a baby and my dog. But today is the fight.
Hey, check him out.
Go on.
Can you guys be mature? Well, tonight are the fights, and my dad and brother are going to that, so just me, Sierra, and my mom are trying to figure out what we're gonna do. There's like a really nice aquarium at the Mandalay Buffet. Mandalay, oh my gosh, I'm still thinking about it. Mandalay Bay. Since COVID, they don't have the buffet anymore, so no buffet on this trip. But yeah, so we're trying to figure out what we're gonna do, the girls, while the guys are gone. I need to edit, take a nap, and fit that into my schedule and gamble for 30 minutes. So we're gonna have to work around that. Tonight, we really wanna go to a show, the America's Got Talent. I feel like that would be so much fun. I love that show. I don't wanna just sit at the casino all day because I will spend my money. Like, I easily could, and I could have so much fun. I get the shakes, I get the jitters. I love gambling. I know it's bad, but I only do it like once, maybe twice a year. Yeah, I'm literally so tired. I'm like ready for my morning nap, but.
Is that what it was?
Yeah. Wait, what is on?
You're winning. That's what you want.
Austin, you won the 25,000. You won the mega win. Wait, something's going on. Oh my god. Something's going on.
Plus another 79.
Something's going on.
No, that comes
92. You have 92 now.
Yeah, plus another 79.
Something's going on.
No, that comes
92. You have 92 now.
Yeah, plus that comes over.
Yeah, but you just won.
So you.
All right.
Cash it out for me.
Cash out. Austin.
All right, come on. Oh!
No.
Now leave. Over 80 though.
Yeah, leave. Now get out. So, gonna go get a facial done. I'm so excited. I'm getting an age-defying facial because I swear pregnancy has aged me. I keep saying it. People keep saying, no, you're glowing. No, I'm aging. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. See, these types of mirrors are dangerous for me because I have a pimple popping addiction. And if I have one of these and I have a pimple, I'm gonna go to town on it. Okay, so yeah, gonna go get a facial done. J. Clay and C are gonna go get massages. We got the Gatorade. This is from the Salt Rock. I'm getting a facial done, and he just said I'm getting a chest treatment done. Like, okay. Update, the facial was amazing, literally so good. They had like a hot steamer blowing on me while I was getting all the oils rubbed up in me. But guys, I wore my braids, and if you watched one of my old videos, like a couple videos back, I wore braids when I went to go get a massage. Is it a thing that if you wear braids or a ponytail or pigtails of some sort, they're gonna pull on them? Because he was pulling on my braids again for my facial. So I'm gonna hop up in the sink, get my makeup done. Ugh. Gosh, this is not as easy when you're pregnant. 7 months pregnant. I'm gonna do some makeup, casual outfit, and then we're gonna get some Mexican. They have an entire vegan menu. I'm gonna get a vegan chimichanga. Whew, I'm starving. Oh, I ended up losing only $100, but I hate losing. So I think I'm also gonna spend like maybe, I don't know, I'm probably gonna be exhausted after the show, but it's Operation Get It Back. I wanna film like a montage get ready with me, but there's nowhere to put my camera when I'm sitting in the sink. Look at my skin, it looks so glowy. I feel like my makeup's gonna go on so good because it's nice and fresh, like a glazed donut. Okay, first step is primer. My skin is already moisturized as I just got a facial. Primer, I'm using the e.l.f.'s Poreless Putty Primer. For foundation, I'm using a mixture of Bougie and Budget. So I have YSL's new foundation, or it's like not even foundation, it's like skin tint. And then I have the e.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation. Next up, I'm using the Cream Bronzer by Merit, and I'm just going to kind of contour the face, carve out the nose, and I also have been doing like a little bit of an eye lift. I'll show you in a second. This is hard. Filming? Look. And makeuping. There, temple. Oh my gosh, my skin is so dewy. Carve out my nose like that. Right here. And then eye lift, jaw, and there we go. And then we blend. Carve out a little bit of concealer. Wet n Wild's Incognito concealer. And I put some here, around my mouth, nose, and right here. And then a little on my forehead for brightening purposes. Okay, my arm is literally falling asleep, so let me blend and I'll be right back. Now onto powder products. I'm gonna use the Halo Glow Setting Powder by e.l.f., also super affordable. And I just put a little bit under my eyes. I hate a cakey look, so I just do the tiniest bit, but the tiniest bit gives you that flawless complexion. So I'm gonna let that sit, and then I'm going to just do some eyebrows. Jayclay's doing her 13-second makeup routine.
Mine takes 2 minutes.
Now I'm going to powder bronze using Kylie's Tequila Tan. And then I have literally given up on eyeshadow. I just take bronzer and I pop it in the crease. And that's literally all I do for eyeshadow. Sometimes I'll do like under the eye a little bit, but...
How do you think that was 13 minutes? Like,
that wasn't even 10. How do you do it that fast?
Because I don't know how to do makeup, so I just do it. Like, I don't put this on, then that on, then that on, then that on. I put, that's it.
Okay, rush through, added a quick wing, a little sparkle in the inner corner. We need to do some mascara. It's the ponytail.
I can't, I have to.
You look like a 5-year-old.
But I act like a 5-year-old, so.
It's even a side pony.
No, I had it there because it looks better than that.
Like the sweater's cute, but it's the, I don't know. Okay, we have mascara on, we have wing, we need to do lips, we need to do highlight, we need to do blush, and then we need to bronze, and then we need to get dressed. We have a lot to do, and I'm very late. We're gonna do some Merit blush. I love this stuff. I blend it in with my fingers. Plop her on. I like to do quite a bit because it falls off. I swear. I don't know what happens to blush. It just goes away. To dab and blend in. That's better. I swear.
What am I doing with my hair?
It's honestly not bad. Like,
Sorry, I wanted that
I don't like that ponytail. I hate the ponytail.
I live in ponytails. So
I know. Like guys, Jayclay has so much potential. Like there's times where Jayclay pops off.
No.
But
I feel like I look, well no, I don't look
8 out of
but
10.
I feel like
8 out of 10 times she does not live up to her potential.
like this. This isn't cool, but I have to.
Looking like The Rock with the chains. Something's going, maybe a top knot bun.
Oh, honey,
Leave these
my
two
hair-
pieces down.
My hair don't do that.
Try. Okay, what do I have to do now? Highlight. Highlights.
Probably have put more than that.
I need to brush my teeth before I do my lips.
See, I don't brush my teeth good.
Okay, I'm going to plop some highlight in the inner corner. Oh my gosh, my boobs, like look at them. They're giant. They're flowing out. They're falling out. Oh my god. See, See, like, the makeup looks fine in this mirror, but then you go into different lighting because this lighting is so yellow and you're like, oh my lord, what have I done? Okay, before I do lips, I always have to spolie the crustiness all. And then we're gonna gloss them. I'm gonna line them with NYX's Natural Lip Liner. Who was it?
Nobody.
So there's the lips. And now I'm gonna use the Essence Plumping Effect. This is just like clear with little sparkles in it. And I put it just in the center. Makeup's done, I'm gonna throw a little bit of highlight on my collarbone. And I'm gonna spray some spray. You put it in your hair, it stays longer. I'm gonna go put the fit on and I will show you guys the finished easy fast look. We went with the all black outfit and the trench coat and makeup's done. And now we're going to get some delicious Mexican. Well, it better be delicious. There's Drake Clay being an overachiever. Hey, bye. Daddy's at home.
Oh, Daddy. Guys, enjoy your
Thank you. Walking the red carpet in Vegas. Clay being a tourist.
I want it in my yard. Now the
She wants it in her yard. FDD, she wants it in her yard. Oh, what a day. I'm exhausted. Excuse me, you're not allowed in there. All right, guys, we're going to end KARISSMAS Day 11 with the Advent calendar. This is like the first day I haven't pre-filmed it. This is like at night before I go to bed. Today was so much fun. We had an amazing spa day, and then we had a really fun show, and then we watched the fights. All right, let's see what we got. Wait, Mama, get. What Mama get? What Mama get? What's in there? What is that? More Taco Bell! Another Taco Bell gift card. What are you trying to do?
I mean, that's still your favorite,
Plump
right?
up. Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Plump up my pregnant self even more than what I am. Taco Bell.
Now maybe you can.
Mike and I.
Now maybe you can train
gosh.
or take treats in too.
Oh, and guys, we went to a Mexican restaurant and the food was good, but the dessert, so delicious. It's like a peanut butter chocolate cake. I love Mike and I. Oh, these are cute ones. Socks and candy canes. Who put their Subway wrapper in my box? All right, that is going to end today's vlog. We have one more day and then we get on to the next box. Halfway through KARISSMAS. Probably shouldn't be in these right now. I just took a number 2 and I was like falling asleep on the toilet.
And you like to share, right? Please, a little bit. Please.
There's nothing in there. Just kidding.
Please.
that is gonna wrap up today's vlog. I love you guys. Time's up, Millie, Billy, Trilly, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.